I've always had this dream that maybe we could end homelessness in New Zealand, and maybe I don't get to see that in my lifetime, but I think to start it, I think we need to change perceptions of homelessness. What better way to do that than to come out on the streets, talk to people, hear their stories, and make those connections. I had like this little thing called Fresh Out of the Van, and so I just started off at a local laundromat, just washing clothes there. So I would pay for it and the laundromat would pay the other half. I reached out to Orange Sky Australia about a year and a half ago and just said, look, how can we work together? 2 weeks later, their CEO was over here. We met in Auckland City and we just came together with a plan of how we could get our first van out here. We go out 7 days a week with our van, and what we do is we provide free laundry and free showers to people that are living on the streets, but also people in the community that might not be able to afford the laundromat costs, so like a lot of families. We just try to help out wherever we can, out south, out west, or in the city. So in the last 9 months, we've been able to do 15 tons of laundry and also help 1,500 people with showers. The main reason I do it is because I just know, like, I've made so many mistakes in my life that I know that it could have easily been me as well. Especially there was one day where I ended up washing clothes for someone that I went to school with. He was a year above me, and look, man, if you looked at my grades and looked at his grades and like you would have, and just seeing where people are going in life, like you would have thought it would be me. Just the people that you meet, I think, is the main thing for me. So like whether it's the volunteers who are awesome people, or even the friends that like you make connections. Like we refer to people that use our service as friends. For me, that's not just a word. You hear about their life, how's their day, you share about yours. When I walk away from the shifts, I know that I'm walking away with connections and friendships. Honestly, it doesn't feel like a job, what I do now. It's just like I wake up every morning looking forward to catching up with my friends. Even though we help a lot of people, I think it's given me a lot too.